Question 9. Find the equation of the straight line joining points 1, 3 and 2, 5. Okay, the way we do that is by calculating the gradient. The gradient is y2 minus 1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2, and minus 2 minus 1 is actually minus 3. So we're going to get minus 2/3 for the gradient. Alright, the next thing we know is that when x is 1, y is 3. So we can substitute those into the equation and say 3, which is y, is equal to x, which is 1, times the gradient, which is minus 2/3, plus the constant. Okay, and rearranging, you can see that the constant is equal to 11 over 3. So putting this together, we can say that the equation is y is equal to mx plus 11 all over 3. Okay, for part B, we've got to determine the equation of the normal. The normal is the line that's perpendicular to this line that we've calculated here, and there are an infinite number of those, but there's only one that passes through the point 2, minus 1. So let's start by remembering that the gradient of the normal is minus 1 over the gradient. So here we've got the gradient as minus 2/3, so the gradient of the normal is 3 over 2, or 1.5. Okay, and it also passes through this point. That's the x value, that's the y value, so we can write that y is equal to mx plus a different constant this time, of course, which is why it's got a subscript. Okay, we can rearrange that to say that the constant is equal to 4. Just look at that. That's 3 times 2 over 2, so the 2's cancel, that's the 3. Take it over to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 gives us minus 4. Which means that we can write the equation y is equal to 3x over 2 minus 4. And that's the equation of the normal.